Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. On the last free video I did was on this past Tuesday on the 17th. I did the video setup on the ARK Fund, Innovation Fund, and the short trade setup that we did and why we did it, walk through that. So I wanted to just kind of follow up on that today to show you the outcome or how this is currently looking. So on this day, this was the 17th, Tuesday, we set this short up. Now there was a lot of activity in the market, talk about this Galleon Fund having a big, huge short position on. And then just looking at the stocks that made up the largest percentage of the ARK fund, they're all really hitting hard to the downside. So they're kind of the higher valuation kind of tech stocks, and I'll go through that and show you. So, this was building for some potential momentum pressure to the downside. So we set up a short trade here, on the 17th. So our momentum indicators gave us a signal to short, and then we did that using an option strategy called the put calendar diagonal. I'll show you that. But right now it's currently, if it can break this 113 level here, this is a huge support area. You can see all the price action through there, 113. So we were taking profits into this today down to this level. Now, if it can break this 113 on a really good momentum break, I would say tomorrow, preferably on the open, then it has potential to have a bigger sell-off down to the next level, be about 110. If it can't hold, if it holds this 113, then it could have a snapback rally. But let's take a look first at the stocks that make up this fund, and I'll show you the trade setup that we did using what we call a put calendar diagonal. I'll show you that one first. So the trade setup we did to short this, we went out to the 17th September, bought the 115 put, and then sold against it for tomorrow's expiration, the 20 August 111. So cost of the trade was $445 per spread. So today you can see it went out about $91 profit per spread on this trade. So up about 20%. But if it can break this 113 tomorrow, we could easily get a flush pretty quick, I think, to 110. And if we get a flush down here to 110 tomorrow, I'll show you what the potential profit would be at that point. So set up my date here on my analytics to tomorrow's date, the 20th of August, and you follow my pointer. So if we close or just open tomorrow and we're at 110, this would be up $160 per spread. Now, if we get a close tomorrow, since the short strike expires tomorrow, if we got a close right there about 110, this will be up over $260. So it has really good still potential for that trade. Now, this is the other part of the trade to show you what those stocks that make up the biggest percentage of the ARK fund, what they currently look like. So let's walk through the things that make it up. So here's just the ARK fund. You can see where it is. It's starting to really break down. So again, if it can break this 113, it's going to get bigger sliding momentum to the downside. So the biggest part of stock that makes it up, about 10%, is Tesla. So let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla had a kind of a retracement back up here and failed into the 21 EMA, and now it's sitting back here at that 200. So if it breaks there, it's going to get more of a sell-off. The next one we'll take a look at is Roku. So Roku, you can see, has had a big sell-off. Now it's broken the 200-day moving average down below the prior lows. So this has more potential downside to Roku. Then TDOC is another big part of the fund, is TDOC. So you can see it is back towards these lows. If this breaks, it's going to be back, making new all-time lows. So that's TDOC. Another component is Zoom. You can see just a straight, these high relative value stocks, tech stocks are really getting hit hard. So Zoom, big move down. Looks like it's headed back towards at least here this 330, maybe lower. And here's Square. So it's retraced back down to its 50% retracement on the fib level. Looks like poised to maybe break that. Next target would be down to 249. And then Shop is just sitting right here kind of on this ledge. If this breaks, it's got a potential for a huge move down, and that's going to really pull on the ARK fund. So anyway, I wanted to go through and just show you the analysis and what goes into trade setups. And if you like this, make sure to join us at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.